Now you must not necessarily follow that template, because that one is a bit technical, so it's not a must you must follow that template. You can just go to your ChatGPT and tell it to give you any content idea that you want to make, anyone. You can just go there and tell it to give me, let me use 7 days content calendar. For my brand, this ChatGPT already knows my brand, so you can include your brand, because maybe you've not used ChatGPT to get prompt ideas before or post ideas, so it already knows my brand. If I post it now, you see that it's going to even mention my brand name for me. So I'll just, for my brand, with hooks, always remember to add hooks is very, very necessary. Captions, call to actions, all these things are very necessary. Call to actions, hashtags, etc. Whichever thing you want it to appear under your post, just add it in this write-up. Then each day should have that how many posts are we getting? 10 posts per day. You can just do something like this. It will still give you a content idea. Since maybe you've not used ChatGPT, include your brand and your niche. Unless you don't have a brand, you don't have a niche. But I don't know why somebody would not have a brand, don't have a niche. Include your brand or anything you are into, even if it's comedy, entertainment. It's going to give you, okay, let me do this one now as an entertainment brand. So I'll just say, give me 7 days content calendar for my brand. I'm not coming and say I'm into entertainment. I'm into entertainment and then comedy. Let me just assume I'm no longer using my brand now. So this is just a more simpler way. If you don't want to follow the template, you can just tell ChatGPT anything. It's going to give you something reasonable. So I'm just going to send this. It's asking me what's the name you use for your entertainment style of comedy. Hey, oh, this ChatGPT don't come. Now it's asking me questions like it's asking me my brand name, the style of comedy, is it skit, is it memes, your target audience, Nigerians in general, preferred tone. So I'll just answer this thing, because this is not my brand. Had it been I just left it the initial one, it already knows my brand. So for this is just a new brand, so I'll just brand name. Let me use somebody is into comedy in that hour, this thing. Benlo's comedy. Let me and this brand name Ben Benlo's comedy. Then the second question, it said style of comedy. Is it skit, memes, stand-up clips? I'll just select skit, so you know the one you are into. This thing is just an example. You know your brand, you know what you are into. So I'll just select style of comedy, skit. Then it's asked again, target audience. I'm targeting the whole Nigeria, and everybody should see my comedy. Nigerians in general, even everybody safe. Don't even do Nigerians in general, so they will not restrict your videos to only Nigerians. So I'm not buying this idea of Nigerians in general. I'm going to target everybody on social media. Everybody on social media, to not restrict my post to only Nigerians. Then he said number 4, preferred tone. Is it do you want it funny, sarcastic, motivational? So preferred tone, I'm going for funny since it's a comedy. Then he said platform. Should I tailor it to Facebook, Instagram, TikTok? So I'm going to use only Facebook for the sake of this tutorial. If you have other platforms you wish to post, you can include it. Platform, just use Facebook. I hope I'm done with the questions, so I'll just send. So as you can see, with all the information I've given the ChatGPT, it has given me content ideas for Benlo's comedy. He said day 1, relatable, everyday madness. Hook, when NEPA take lights right before the romantic part. It gave me a hook, it gave me a caption, then video, hashtags and this thing. Day 2, the same thing. All these things. Now you are now since this person is into videos, like he likes making reels, you now make videos with these content ideas, because what this ChatGPT is giving you is content ideas for you to use and create your video. So these are the content ideas, so you can apply this for your brand, for your whatever this thing you are doing. That is that for content, this thing, content calendar.